Alright, so this is 4K 30. This is our LG stove. Okay. Take it off the tripod. Right. It's blue inside. My mom put this there so it wouldn't get dirty, and if stuff spills on it, it's easy to clean. There's the fan in there. Okay. So it has the weirdest timer end. Oh, that's 3 minutes. It has the weirdest timer end. I don't know why. I mean, I can only do 1 minute of it. I don't know why. But, yeah. Ten, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Takes 5, 6. If you ever take these off, it even says high and low here, but yeah. Now, settings. 12-hour. Yes. What? The fuck is this? Auto? Off? I don't know. Of course. I guess that's preheat off. I mean, it's on by default, but I mean, is there any difference of pre on or off? I don't think so. Beep. Hi. Yes. Fuck. Fahrenheit unit. High, C, whatever the hell. Chime, and then back to 12 hours. The setting that we use most for the oven is convection bake, and I like this speed roast because when you click it on, it turns on the fan, and then the top element turns on until 100 and until it hits 200 degrees Fahrenheit, which heats up the oven really quick. Then I put it to convection roast, and then usually I put this to 430, or if we're doing 450, I usually put it to 455 because, yeah. And it alternates between the top and bottom element and also the fan. And the fan does have it's an actual real convection, not like older ovens where it just has the fan. It doesn't have a heating element inside the fan. This one actually has a heating element inside the convection fan because I can actually tell. I can see it. So, yeah. I mean, with this on 430, right? Perfect. And then if you're doing 450, I usually do 455, and then, yeah. And when the oven hits a certain temperature, see that fan inside? That's the exhaust fan. And this is a bracket, so it's not pushed because it needs air. This is the intake. This is the intake. This is the exhaust. And when the oven is on 450, this thing kicks up to really high, and this whole metal piece becomes hot, and it's pumping out 450 degrees, and it stays on for a long time. And I wish this was on this side, or, you know, and then sometimes condensation comes out of this, and I have to wipe it. And you can actually take this black piece off. There's 2 screws, and that's what I did because there's a, where's the screw? Where is it? Yep, found it. So there's 1 screw here. Let me just move this out of the way, you can see it. 1 screw there. 1. There's supposed to be 4 screws, but it only came with 2, so there's 1 there. And then there's another one somewhere. But yeah, with this piece off, this fan blows out so much more air, and it's just straight up. This one, it goes here and here, and it's not the greatest. And then that opens up more when the black piece is off. And if you look inside the oven, there's the intake. Well, let me put the brightness up. There's the intake. For that goes to there. So it sucks in air right there. And then the exhaust is somewhere, but yeah. LG oven, boom. And here's our fucking loud ass fridge. We're having to keep moving it because it's so bloody loud. The compressor, it's like it's on something, so it's like, it's loud. Let's see if I can. I want to see if I can recreate it. It's like that, but sometimes it gets so loud that like it's unbearable. Like, I have my big headphones on and they're like semi noise canceling, and I can hear it through them. It's bad. But yeah. LG model. That's the model. Yeah, the other day I opened the fridge and both of these were flashing 0 degrees Fahrenheit, which is weird. And then this is our dishwasher. So the cycle we run is heavy, high temp, and extra dry. And when you have it on normal, so heavy, boom, boom. And the model is right here. So yeah, those are pretty dirty dishes. I'm probably gonna have to clean that filter soon. That's the soap we use. I mean, we also have that back there, the finish, but yeah. And then we have the rinse aid, wherever that is. Or do we have any rinse aid? We should. I don't know. Shit. I think we're out, but yeah, that's the soap we use. So yeah. Alright, that's it for now. And this is our backyard. That's the barbecue. Yeah, lots of snow. I actually had to use my snow thrower and make a path that way because I had to unblock our gas pipe, our furnace exhaust, basically our furnace exhausts, because they were buried, and if they're buried, it will sense that it's blocked and it will not turn on. And then it will flash a code and then the house will be cold, and yeah. So if you have lots of snow like this and your furnace is not running, go outside and check on either side of your house. On the side of the house there should be white pipes, and if they're and your gas meter also, if they are both under if they're both under snow, dig them out, because ours were buried. And as soon as I dug them out, boom, it kicked on. The furnace kicked on. So, yeah. All right. That's it for now. Peace. Hope y'all enjoyed.